Investing is one of the best methods to safeguard your financial future, and one of the best ways to invest is over an extended period of time. Over the past few years, it would have been tempting to stray from a long-term strategy and go after rapid gains. Here are the top 5 best investment ideas. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. Let's start. Number 5. IRA Roth. Perhaps the best retirement plan available is a Roth IRA. It enables you to save after taxes, let your money grow tax-free over a long period of time. Additionally, you can avoid paying taxes on the transfer of that money to your heirs, making it a more desirable option than a standard IRA. Anyone earning an income can amass tax-free assets for retirement with a Roth IRA. Number 4. Real estate. Real estate is in many respects the archetypal long-term investment. Starting off costs a lot of money, fees are exorbitant, and returns are frequently obtained by owning an asset for a long period of time, rather than just a few years. Even still, Americans' preferred long-term investment in 2022 was real estate. Number 3. Value stocks. When the market rises sharply, many stocks' valuations have become inflated. When that occurs, a lot of investors look to value stocks as a means to be more defensive, while still having a chance to make good profits. Value stocks are ones that are less expensive based on valuation criteria like a price-earnings ratio, which calculates how much investors are paying for every dollar of earnings. Number 2. Stock funds. A stock fund is a collection of equities, frequently tied together by a common theme or classification, such as large or American stocks. For this product, the fund firm levies a fee, but it may be quite small. A stock fund, such as an ETF or a mutual fund, can be a wonderful option if you're not quite ready to invest the time and effort in evaluating individual stocks. Number 1. Growth stocks. Growth stocks are the Ferraris of the stock investment world. Excellent growth and high investment returns are what they claim. Tech businesses are frequently growth stocks, although this is not a requirement. They rarely pay out a dividend, at least not until their growth slows down, as they typically reinvest all of their profits back into the company. So that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Tell us what you think about the video in the comments section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get updates when we post new videos.